Alright, boys, market just opened. It is currently 3 in the morning on GBP USD. And so far, my bias for today is very, very bearish because of us sweeping out all these lows up here and sweeping out tons of lows on Euro USD. So the main target we kind of have to watch for this hourly gap right here, just in case price wants to form this a little later. So I'll just leave this on here for now. But as of right now, our main target is to see if we can get price all the way down to these lows, and then any lows after that. So all we need right now to enter 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute retracement, and 1 minute candle closure in our direction, and we can take a short. So basically, we are just gonna sit here until that happens. And I don't know how long we're gonna be here for, because we're not even close to printing in the way I would want. We already had 2:30 news, and that kind of affected the markets a little bit. This kind of came off 2:30 news, just a little doji candle. And then this also came off the news. Yeesh, bro. Okay, where can we reverse off of? Like up here. Jeez, bro, we don't even got 5 minute highs. Gotta have something on Euro USD. Okay, well these are the same high. Jeez, bro, but if price gets all the way up here, I literally cannot trade. So we're just gonna bank on that not happening. And we'll just imagine the price likely fills this fair value gap. We could also imagine that price is going to want to come down to this 30-minute gap, which this time I would consider taking profits on here because it's basically in line with an hourly gap, and because any other target, and unless price starts like ripping down, but plus any other target is literally like if price just keeps going higher, and we get a break like somewhere like up here, then you definitely could just take a one-to-one trade down to the 30-minute gap. Anyways, so yeah, it wouldn't even matter. We just haven't even formed a bearish candle. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it on here. This is the last bearish candle we formed. This one didn't form on the actual trading view pair, so we formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Back-to-back bullish candles. So, like, just move lower, dude. Like, just freaking retrace, dude. Alright, well, time to doom scroll. The usual trading shenanigans. His daughter. Absolute man.
Alright, if I'm right, you get
Yo,
yourself killed.
W speed. W speed.
What?
Where does it say it?
I'm at the pass on this, bro. I'm at the pass on this.
Oh, L speed,
Alright, if
bro.
I'm right.
Yo, rare form of content, bro. L speed. It's crazy. Oh, you guys wanna know what's lit? I'm off school today, so literally after this, I get to sleep instead of just for 1 extra hour. I get to sleep for like 5 hours. I'm so tired right now, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm going to knock out, bro. I might sleep later than 9. Get to get a freaking haircut today, finally, bro. My hair is actually crazy long. How have we not formed a bearish candle? Dude, okay, we're bound to just start just forming bearish candle after bearish candle after bearish candle after bearish candle and not break structure and get like all the way down to like here, inverse a ton of gaps. You're like, okay, we basically broke retracement short down to the fair value gap easily. Go go! What the heck even are you? My turn! All this stuff, bro. Reverse curse technique. Hollow. Yeah, it's not that, bro. Blue like a manga edit. Manga. You ever played soccer with your life on the line? You ever played soccer with your life on the line? Oh my freaking goodness, bro. What are we doing? Why are we not forming bearish candles? Use some emojis. This is the only way we can actually get it to come down. Yeah, let's stick to the good old hammer. So, there we go. Bearish candle, bro. Let's get like all the way down here from a low, break the low, bang, take a shot. We have a low to break on euro. I mean, we don't have to target this 30-minute gap. It's not like, I mean, we are pretty far above it. If we can get like a 1-to-1 risk to reward with stops at the liquidity, then I will target the gap. But if we're super close to it, I'm just gonna probably try and hold out. It's likely though we'll be able to get an entry off that gap without us. Yeah, see, look what I said. Bearish candle after bearish candle after bearish candle. So we just inverse this for a value gap. Literally like 3 or 4 bearish candles is basically a break in and of itself. So no 30-minute gap here. We are forming an hourly gap here. See where this rests. Basically you're targeting market open on both pairs. You're targeting the not even low, but basically you're just targeting market open pretty much. I mean, bro, to be for real, I'd like us to also inverse this gap because this isn't that obvious that price would reverse. Like we could still go a little higher. So I'm gonna be patient, wait for our full break of structure confirmation. And yeah, we'll chart up the fib. If we close above 79 on the fib, count that as a little break. And then yeah, we're kind of cooked from there. But if price can inverse this gap right here, two inverse gaps is pretty good confirmation. And then if price gives me like a really good retracement and then like even another break after that, then dude, it's like, I mean, might as well freaking go for shorts off that. Okay, this 30-minute gap gets fully formed in an hourly gap too. Gets formed in like more like 18 minutes. Oh, we're already getting two bearish candles. Okay, this is actually golden, bro. Yeah, easily price gets down to these lows. Okay, bang, yeah, like five back to back, like dude. Maybe retracing. Likely though, we're changing the overall trend of the market, switching order flow, doing all that jazz. Okay, I'm also making sure I pay attention. This is actually the funded pair, so you guys are actually gonna see like the live money ticking up and down. Well, it's the eval, but like you know how it goes. Bro, but like low key, we got the retracement. As of right now, we are in this fair value gap right here. Or actually, no, never mind. Well, no, on GBP, we're definitely in the gap. Dude, if we break off of this, I'm taking a short, bro. Okay, set my stuff in. Where's my take profit? Nope, that won't do. And we didn't break. Oh, wait then. I can wait like a lot more to enter. And I got the entry set up right here. If price wants to come a little higher, tap the gap some more, by all means, you can go ahead and do that. But we did not inverse this gap. But we will if we break. So yeah, just gotta break. Where does equilibrium reside? It's more like here. Now it's almost down here. So ideally, price gets into this gap a little more, almost even filling the whole thing at the same time without breaking structure to the upside. Price peaking above these highs is fine, but we just want to make sure we're not going to go and just not even reverse, because look, we're not even breaking structure right now. To be frank, I should be more patient and wait for the full break of structure. Because we haven't even broken market structure to the downside. We got one inverse fair value gap, but usually you kind of want to. And we're very bullish right now, like way above this liquidity sweep. Yeah. So, bro, I need more edit music, dude. Like, oh my goodness. This is miserable without edit music in the background. Mm, There we go.
Ela bate no peito, ela fala que é braba. Vamos ver se tu aguenta. Sequência vai tomas, 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 vai tomas, 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 tomas.
Oh, fine. I'll just delete everything that I just charted out, bro. We still have this gap. We can maybe validate it.
Headed for the first church. Carly looks like she's on the.
Wait, what's this? What's this little video? Bro, this edit is so good. The first curse step. All over. Okay, we need another break anyways. Not even gonna watch this anymore. I wonder if we can make some sort of SMT, have us stay below these little highs on GBP USD, take them out in Euro USD. That would be great.
Vamos ver se tu aguenta. Sequência vai tomas, 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 vai tomas.
New boy. Wow. Bakugo sacrifice. Flash step. I have to defeat him. Right, Izuku. Bro, he's not dead. Like, what are you talking about? He's not dead.
Kaga, can we just stop?
Huh?
I don't.
Yo.
Hey, what's that? What's that? What's
Oh,
that? What's
TJR.
that? What's that?
What's that?
Do I enter off of this wick, TJR? Ah!
No!
Do I enter off of this wick, Master Sensei? Hey, what's that? What's that? What?
Sensei TJR, Sensei Tyler. Oh, okay, we got potential here. We just swept the highs on Euro. We just swept these highs on Euro USD. If we can form a bearish candle without sweeping these highs on Euro USD and on Euro USD, we already did on GBP USD. So literally, we do have at least a 1-minute SMT. Ideally, we almost form a 5-minute SMT here, which we definitely can do. Yeah, look, this is perfect. The higher we can go on Euro, the better. Just gonna leave this here. Lower high, and form a bearish candle, we can have a higher high. There we go. This way, Smith. Oh, bro, 20 minutes, we still haven't taken a trade. Literally spamming edits, dude. Red light mean dead. Red light mean dead. What's this? Dude, it's the same song over and over and over again.
And is hereby expelled from Jiu-Jitsu Society. In addition, any attempt to free him from his seal will be deemed a crime. Satoru Gojo has been deemed an accomplice in the Shibuya incident.
Any retracement I get now, I'll just short off of. Okay, yeah, no, we definitely made our little SMT. Yeah, this is great. So, literally, give me a retracement. We're shorting this. Yeah. That's the bull. Okay, we definitely got a break. We just closed us up below 79 on the fib. Equilibrium is the most ideal. And that's the fair value, yeah, but we are basically tapping into this little. This is technically the order block, but I mean, dude, we could literally just get up to equilibrium here, and it looks like we probably will. And then candle closure off this, shorts down to the 30-minute gap.
Satoru Gojo has been deemed an accomplice in the Shibuya incident and is hereby expelled from Jiu-Jitsu Society. In addition, any attempt to free him from his seal will be deemed a crime.
Bro, do not move off this.
Satoru Gojo has been deemed an accomplice in the Shibuya incident and is hereby expelled from Jiu-Jitsu Society. In addition, any attempt to free him from his seal.
Bro, can we get up to equilibrium and not do this? I mean, bro. Okay. Okay, this is actually getting kind of annoying. Just right higher, bro.
How pathetic
Dude,
when you can crush them.
it's the same song, except it's not JJK. It's just Bleach. Okay, bro, but if we break again here, I'm not gonna end. I mean, I could though, dude. This literally is our order block. If we break again, I'm just gonna take shorts because then at that point, it's likely we won't get another retracement. Yo, bro, you're kidding. I could have entered off that candle. Because technically, we have a little order block right here. Watching me miss out on millions of dollars in real time. I can just target more into this gap anyways. I mean, bro, if we don't break, I'm not shorting then. Yeah, I need more music. Yeah, whatever. Why did I just say whatever, bro? Are you kidding me? Focus up, dial in. You didn't actually break on a real pair, dude. Gosh, okay. I just entered though. I really hope we do break. Likely price will move off of this because of this being the order block here. We just didn't get all the way up to equilibrium. I mean, hopefully we get the actual break on GBP USD. If we don't, then this whole trade idea is kind of just cooked. But it's like it's been long enough, dude. I've been waiting for a long freaking time to be able to trade. So yeah, and I'm done waiting. Bro, but look at this take profit right here, dude. Not even managing 200. When do we get 200? down here, barely. Okay, we just broke, so this is good now. Let me just chart this out here. We entered at about this candle here. And likely we can have price push into this gap a little more. I feel like now we're kind of just waiting for an actual retracement. But dude, I did not follow my plan for this entry. I mean, yeah, it's a double break, but dude, we should be looking for trades off of this break of structure. Technically, if we're getting like equilibrium or something. You know, we're not. So it's kind of like whatever. I mean, we could though. Like literally, if equilibrium gets hit off this, then you want to look for a short off this instead of where I entered previously. Okay, but because I am trying to make more, once price gets down to here, I'll sell off like half my position, and then I'll just like manage the other half of it. Because half, like, well, how many lots am I in with? Like 2.62. So if I close out 1.62, chances are I'm probably up a little over $100, which is definitely chill. And then stop's gonna break even. But, yeah, okay, so literally, the most ideal entry would have been off this little equilibrium, off the actual break. So, bearish closure off of this, not a doji, but an actual candle, that equals a winner, or at least that I should have taken this trade and entered at this time. And if we lose, it's just like bias is kind of wrong, but chances are it's not that wrong. And no, I can't have it that high today. Gotta have surplus right there. Wait, please close bearish, bro. I know it still like 5 seconds, but please. Close bearish. Close bearish. Yeah, we're also not making enough here to close any more of our position. But if I can make like any more than like 250 at like any point in time, I'm just gonna full close. Okay, this 30-minute gap gets formed in like a minute, and then this becomes a pretty decent target. Yeah, okay, so we have a ton of confirmation right here. So the real most ideal entry that would have followed my plan would have been off this candle. Would have been just about the same. Entry probably would have looked something like this off the break. Sweet, dude. How are we so much closer to take profit on the trading view pair than this pair? Okay, yeah, we have shorts in on GBP USD. Hourly gap forms in half an hour. 30-minute gap forms pretty soon too. Honestly, like the 30-minute gap forms off this candle here. I might low-key just want to see what we do. But just play it safe. I'm basically up like by here I'm up 200, so we could definitely sell off a good portion of my position at least. And then just full close everything else once we close in the hourly gap. Bro, wait, why are we so much closer to take profit on the trading view pair? Is this messed up? No, it's not. What the heck? Okay, that's kind of weird. That shouldn't be much of an issue though, right? But yeah, definitely this is gonna be my one and only trade for the day, even if I lose. Cause like, bro, we are so much closer to take profit on GBP USD, bro. Like, what the heck? Like, one more of like these size candles down and we're in take profit. Actually, it's kind of the same situation. Bro, if you're not even gonna hit take profit, I'm just gonna get off. I'm just gonna watch more edits, dude. Yeah, more edits. Okay, I kind of want to pick like a good video to watch, cause yeah, look, it's gonna take a minute for this to develop. Bro, I'm actually so hungry. So hungry, bro. This is like the best retracement. Yeah, if we stay in the gap, this is the best retracement. Yo, Bakianwa. Yeah, see, bro. See, bro. Fair value gap, candle closure, take profits. Okay, but for Euro USD, I know we can edge take profits, but we just formed, well, not even an hour gap yet. Okay, we still need to form bearish off this candle to stay in with this fair value gap right here. I'm not closing until I lose all my monies. Definitely. Likely though, price has no reason to go any higher. Hey, there we go. Ah, that's actually a doji. Now I want one more. One more bearish candle. Give me one more. Give me one more. Actually, give me 1 million bears, please. Yeah, 1 million bears, please. 1 million bears. We've caught most of this move down so far. That's the thing. Like, they're kind of in the same position here. We're predicting where price is likely gonna move. It's just really annoying how. Where are we up at 200? So, this low right here. So, ideally, we're aiming to close most of our position here. But unless we're ripping, if we're moving really slow, then like, bro, we're not gonna close like all the way down here. We're gonna close the second we get into the gap. The hourly gap is here, bro. But like, I feel like we're just like kind of far away from it at this point. Oh wait, 5 minute retracement. Oh yeah, there's a 5 minute fair value gap like up here. Okay, well that changes everything. Bro, what the heck? Stop it. My bias was already basically wrong one day this week, and my bias is usually never ever wrong. So that means, like, I should be correct. Okay, 5 minute fair value gap. Break structure on the 1 minute. And then when we hit take profits, then that means we'll hit take profits. Trust me. Trust me, guys. Who are you gonna trust? The day trader has been doing this for like since like June or like Like TJR, bro. Who are you gonna trust? You're gonna trust me. Alright? You're gonna trust me. Ignore the freaking loss. You're gonna trust me. Alright? We're gonna manipulate these highs. Maybe even manipulate these highs. We're gonna stay below them. And just watch. We're gonna take profits. Unless we just had it, we could literally just hedge it. Nah, we got this. Nah, we got this, boy. We got this, boy. Man, what are you talking about? Edge take profit? Nah, bro. We got this, dude. We literally got this. Sweet. Form a low right here, dude. Break this low. Golden. Golden. Whoa. Wait, Toji. Bro, okay, you don't gotta
What is
form
good,
a
YouTube?
crazy
I don't
low.
even know how to do YouTube. I don't know what's wrong with me, dude. I don't know how to do a YouTube intro no more. What up, yo? So the
I mean,
last
I could
video
show you guys the YouTube video of watching. Dude, I've been recording for 36 minutes. I can stay on here for I can stay on here for 3 hours if I need to, because I can sleep in. So I'm gonna see this John all the way through to the end. To the end of time.
I gave away all my money so that I'd be hungry again and like work harder.
On your new car, dog. Thank you for coming out. Congratulations. Congratulations. 50 racks each. You guys deserve it. You deserve it so much more than me, trust me. Excuse me, sir? Yeah. What is your name? Zebulon. Zebulon? Yeah. You just look mad, chill, looks like you're having a good time. I wanted to give you a gift. Alright. I have 10,000 bucks for you. No way. Yeah, $10,000, dog. Let's go. I got something for you. I just got a new car, but I decided I don't really need it, so I bought this for you right here. It's your car. Yeah, it's all yours. I bought it for you. You sure? Yeah, bro. You clean my shoes so fucking good that check it out. Come on, it's a badass car, bro.
Oh my God, thank you, man. 2008, I lost all my money, and I haven't get a new car since there,
Bro. Such a good person.
I made that decision
30,000,
so
300,000.
long ago. It doesn't even make sense coming out of my mouth anymore. I remember coming up with that and I was like, this is the best idea ever.
So either way, if I get rid of all my money,
My
acquire
gosh.
$100,000 a day,
It's
I'll
so
be forced to
choppy.
succeed. There's no other way. I'll be hungry again, and that's what I need. That's what I've been fighting for.
I mean, that's fucking stupid. I'm in fucking shambles. And let me tell you, dude, since then, I have not been conquering life. I mean, last week I went on a bender to Vegas Magoo and was just ripped on Meister the whole time, smashing lizards left and right. I'm not proud of it. That's definitely not what I need to be doing to become
Bro,
rich and
like,
successful.
oh my
I mean,
goodness,
bro,
hurry
oh my god.
up,
Last
dude.
night I went to fucking a steakhouse with all my friends.
Lord.
And I went to pay for the bill. My card declined. That's not happened to me in ages, bro. That was humiliating. To be fair.
Oh, dude, I might just like set a little alert so then it'll just scream at me once price gets down here, and I might just like stay a little mini nap, you know? And then price will hit my take profit, and then I'll be a happy little camper, you know? Happy little camper. I mean, I'd use it if it would let me bring it out. Oh yeah, look at that, bro. 5 minute retracement. This is great. This is excellent, dude. Break structure on the 1 minute. We have full 5 minute confirmation.
It wouldn't have declined had I not spent $13,000 on lizards. That was I mean, that's just irresponsible, especially when you're out of money. Like, those are activities I used to be able to do when I was loaded, and it's like, no problem, dude. 17 racks on Tizzard, yurt.
Yer, 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 yer. 17 racks on to the Z. Yer, 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 yer. What does this say now?
I have got to lock in because I can't live like this. I just woke up.
Bruh, break.
7 p.m.,
Stop
dude.
flying!
That's not very locked in Larry of me, bro.
What time
I'm
is this?
seriously starting to regret giving away all my money. Like, I thought that my life was gonna be awesome after I did that. And I think
Yo, bro. Like, I'm starting to lose it, dude. I'm not, like, used to this slow price action. And it's making me mad, bro. Like, we basically all this, we edged our take profit, didn't get close to it on any other pair. Bro, we made a higher low on Euro USD. And we're moving so slow, dude. Like, there's just zero volatility today, but Thursday's like my boy. Thursday's my homie. And it's like betraying me right now, dude. I mean, it's not like we're losing, like, significant amounts of money. Trying to think. I want to definitely, if we do start going down to take profit, I want to definitely close, like, not that much, but just enough to make about maybe 150. So ideally, like 75% of my position at $200 gets me that, and then the rest I just leave in until the price gets me up to like 250, 300. Because if I make $300, I'm up on the week, which is the goal. But if I lose, I'm one trade away from blowing the account. So yeah, pretty good. Yeah, cheese, dude, bro. I mean, but like to be fair, there's no reason for price to go higher off this. Not saying it can, definitely could. I just don't think it's gonna happen. Like it just wouldn't make sense for it to happen. Yeah, literally, like why would we go higher? We just manipulated all this liquidity. So why in the world would we feel the need to go higher? Maybe we're just continuing some sort of trend or something. We didn't get that 1 minute break of structure though, so that's a little annoying. The issue is that the 1 minute trade didn't pan out if we lose. That's the issue. That's the main problem. Dude, like, this could not take any longer, bro. This is the stuff I deal with on a daily basis, bro. Price goes in my direction, reverses, and it stops me out, bro. Like, where did this come from, dude? 343 just in a burst of the moon.
think I'm just kind of depressed now.
What news do we have today? We have tentative unemployment claims. There's no way that does anything, bro. Oh, I feel like watching the candlesticks is just killing me, bro. But like, no, it's like the more I watch them, the more disciplined I'll get. Bro, what is up with this doji, bro? My eyes are killing me. Oh. Not saying we can't hit take profit, we still can. There's just nothing to do. There's nothing to do right now. I am so bored. I mean, I guess we are really far above any like good sort of manipulation. And we are technically trying to catch more of a lower move because we're trading against, dude, we're trading against, I mean, not currently. In the next hour, we'll be trading against it, but literally, dude, dude, bro, we just want price to go lower. Dude, price is so choppy. Yo, dude, bro, no, don't leave me. Don't leave me, dude, bro. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Dude, we broke structure to the upside on the 5 minute. Are you joking? Bro, this is just so cooked. Dude, we're already so far above these highs on our Euro USD, dude. Oof. Yo, boys. I'll give it like an extra. How much extra can I give it? Just in case, because I always get stopped out by like a lot. Or by like $4, which if I lose an extra $4, it's fine. Ooh, bro. 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 Hmm. Wow, bros. Yeah, pretty crappy price action. Don't do the freaking thing again. Bull run higher. I swear, bro. I did. Okay, just go really far above these highs. Well, yeah, no trade recap needed. You guys watch everything happen in real time. I got cooked today, bros. I guess we never really formed that. Dude, oh my gosh, stop. Bro, do not take profit off this. Bro. Bro, do not take profit off this, please. It keeps doing this. You can't keep getting away with it. Bro, it's probably gonna take profit now. Stop me out by $10. 10 extra dollars. Like, bro, ski tato chip. Do not take profit, please. I'm gonna lose it. This has been the same thing that's made me lose every day this week is the stops. Oh my goodness. No, shut up. You're not taking a second trade. Oh, but I want to. You guys are watching this happen in real time. Revenge. Anger. Wrath. Bro, no. Journal your trade. Call it a freaking day. You know what? I'm gonna stop the freaking live trading thing here. So I won't be allowed to take another trade because you guys won't see it. So anyways, that'll do for today, guys. I lost, looks like $205 on the day. We're cooked on the week, and last day's probably gonna be our last day on the funded. But yeah, you know how it goes. I'm just gonna buy another one because, like, bro, why not? Like, I almost passed this one. I almost passed this one, bro. Trust me, I almost passed it. Anyways, though, that I do for today's live trading recap, or basically just a live trading session. It's whatever, bro. I think our bias might have just been wrong today. We'll kind of see what price does above this high. If we start ripping above it, then yeah, bias was wrong. But if we start freaking moving lower and we hit take profit, stop loss just needs to be higher. Anyways, that'll do it for today, guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow for News of Doom. Anyways, I will see you guys then.